Hi, my name is Natasha Lee, and this is my demonstration of my LSL Secondlife. As you can see, there is my avatar. I'm going to go to plot number 34, which is my plot, and here we go. This is the beach theme of my application. You can see there where the mouse is, that's the magic carpet, that's the magic mirror. On my left, there's a mailbox, there's a little beach house, there's inside the beach house there's a BB-8 robot, which is from Star Wars, and round the corner here is my parrot. As you can see from my avatar, she's Kim Kardashian theme. You see her face, you go and get a side view. So let's start off with the mailbox. The mailbox is black right now by default. If I click the mailbox once, it goes red. Click it twice, there's a letter that's displayed, a note card. I am choosing right now to discard this. And the mailbox goes blue once I get the note card. Now there's a magic mirror here. If I click the magic mirror, there's a dialog box that is presented to the user. Natasha's lead mirror, please choose a colour. So I've got options of red, green, blue or ignore. If I choose red, watch the mailbox and the magic mirror both turn red. There we go. Click it again. I want them both to be green now. And if you see the bottom left hand corner, there is a chat to the user telling the user that the mirror has been changed. This is with the changed event. So if I go green, mirror says it's gone green, and there's a change event saying I have changed colour. And both the mirror and the mailbox have changed colour. And then there's blue also. And if you want to ignore it, you can just ignore it and it's blue. Next we'll see the house. Well, it's kind of like a shed. A little beach shack. If I click the house, it reads from the website. And you can see there, this website is the University of Bedfordshire student portal. So it's reading the HTML source code of this particular website. Now, let's see the parrots. So this is the parrot that I made. If I click the parrot, she says random notes, so female engineers rock on the left hand side to the user, because female engineers obviously do rock, being a female engineer. And then another random message saying I like IT. If I type in the chat, the parrot will repeat as a chat repeater. So let's say, hello Mark Conrad, since you're marking my work. And then the parrot says, hello Mark Conrad. Okay. So now I've got a robot inside, BB-8, there where the mouse is hovering. If I go within a certain vicinity of the robot, the sensor of the robot will pick up my location. It's only for the user, the actual owner. No other avatar can go within that vicinity and pick up this robot. So if I go towards the robot, BB-8 there in the left hand corner says I have found you. And if I click the robot once, he will follow. See, now he's following me. And there's a timer every 1 second. Wherever I move, he will move. So if I want him to stay, because he's annoying me, I click him once and it said there, I will stay. He still found me because I'm in his vicinity. But as you can see now, he's not following me. And just try and get away from him. I think we've got away enough there, yeah. And this is the magic carpet. So I'm going to click on there. I'm going to sit on it. And then I'm going to click this magic carpet and it'll take me anywhere in the world, just as a magic carpet should do. So if I want to go to, let's say we go to the peak. Actually, let's go to the planets. So the carpet now is flying. And you see on the left there's a dialog box for the user telling you where the carpet is going. There's a collision at that location. Submit it there. And if you look to the left, to the right, sorry, there are the planets. So if I click the carpets again, I want to go to the peak. The carpet will go rise up and go into the peak. It's taking off. It's flying. And it has arrived at the peak. I should be able to look around and see the peak. There's this ship. So the peak should be around here somewhere. Yeah, that's the peak. There was a peak here. There was a building that looked like the Shard, but it seems to have been removed by one of the users. But yeah, that was there. So you see all on the dialog box of the magic carpet, we have predefined locations. So there's planets, peak, home, beach, wheel, and ignore. Now I want to go. The wheel has been gone. It's been taken away by one of the users. So I'm just going to go home. So I'm going to fly home now. And there we go. Home safe and sound. And I want to stand up and get off the carpet. BB-8 has found me again. So let's say we go down the road. We'll go for a little walk, we'll say. Let's just go around the block. I think here's a pretty good location. As you can see, we're quite away from our plot. Let's go to a friend's house. So we're at number 2 now, plot number 2. And my original plot was plot number 34. There's a ring in my adventure, so I'm going to click on adventure. And then I'm going to go into objects. And there's a magic ring. So I'm going to drag that magic ring out. I'm going to pull it on the plot there. Plot number 2, you can see. And now I'm going to attach this to the avatar by clicking more and attach. Left hand. As you can see, the magic carpet is now taken off. Now the magic ring is attached to the user. There's a collision, as you can see, at them different locations, but it will get here safe and sound as it usually does. There's an algorithm that has been implemented where if there's a collision, the magic carpet goes back once on the x-axis and then up on the y-axis to avoid the collision. And the magic carpet has arrived. It's landing. We'll soon see it. Maybe we can see it. I'm just like a bit blind right now. It's taken off. I think it's a bit too far up for me to see right now. There it is. We can see it again. So now I wanna, this basically, the magic ring acts as if you're calling a taxi and the magic carpet comes to anywhere the ring is, and no matter where you are in the world, the magic carpet can pick you up. So sit on the magic carpet and let's go home. And there's my friend card. Yavuz Archery. Come to annoy me. I don't think he knows I'm doing the demonstration. See, there's a collision. This is what the carpet went through before when it picked me up. It went through a house. So the magic carpet goes back once, up once on its y-axis, and then the rotation is changed. So the carpet goes straight, because we see when it collides, it goes a bit, it doesn't fly straight. And now we have landed, so stand up and you can get off the magic carpet. So, some of the features. So when touch method works on the mailbox, you touch it and it changes colour, you receive a note card. And when touch also works on the magic carpet, it goes to a destination that you want, there's a dialogue box. Touch on BB8 to stay or to follow. Touch on the mirror to get a dialogue box. Touch on the parrot to read from a note card. And touch on the house to read from a website. They're the on-touch events. The change state events, there's the carpet, there's 4 states, and there's a mailbox in the mirror. Given an object event, the mailbox gives a note card. What else is there? Object repeats chat, that's the parrot, it repeats the chat. Communication, there's a dialogue box both for the mirror and for the carpet when touched. Object to object communication, the ring communicates to the carpet, you put the ring on and the carpet will come anywhere the ring is. Also, the mirror and the mailbox have object to object communication. You touch the mirror and it will change the mailbox colour. The note card reading, the parrot on touch. The website reading will be the house on touch. Touch state all of the items. Listen, carpet listens to the ring. The mailbox listens to the mirror listens to the dialogue box. The carpet listens to the dialogue box. The parrot listens to the note cards. And the house listens to the website. There's a timer on BB8, so every second it checks your vicinity with it, to see if you're around. And there's a sensor on BB8, so it can find the avatar within a certain proximity. Data store is the parrot. Changed event is the parrot, the mirror, sorry. The attach is the ring. You attach the ring, it sends position to the carpet in the logic. And collision, there's a carpet, it backs up on its X, Y and Z axes. Some of the other features that have been implemented, there's there's a picture on the parrot. BB8 looks like BB8. Kim Kardashian looks like Kim Kardashian. What else is there? There's 4 states for the carpet. So there's a default state, there's a takeoff state, flying state and landing state. There's also been a collision algorithm for the carpet and for it to align itself as well, to fly straight and to align itself so it gets to the destination without any problems. There's easier user interface, making the usability for the user easier with the carpet and the ring using the dialogue box, and also with the mirror you change the colour just by clicking on a colour on the dialogue box. And there's region say, so the ring will send for the carpet from anywhere in the entire world, because the avatar can go anywhere in the world, so it makes sense to do that. And now there's 2 parts to this demonstration. This is the first part where I'm showing you the demonstration, and I'm also going to show you the code, and in the second part I'm going to explain the code from a Word document. So if we click in the mirror, we're going to open. You can see the scripts, and make this a bit bigger. So you can see the scripts for the mirror. And click X. And this is the beach house. So open it. There's a script here for the beach house. And that just reads from that website there, which is beds.ac.uk. Click X. Oopsie daisy. There's a magic carpet. This is the script for the magic carpet. Just quickly showing you here because the server keeps messing up on this world. So I'm going to show you the scripts here, and then I'm going to explain the actual scripts from a Word document, making it easier for other students. Then there is, oopsie daisy, let me click X, X again. Then there is the parrot. That's the script for the parrot. Okay, and there's BB8. This is the script for BB8. Then there's a mailbox. Oops, I keep forgetting to click X. This is the script for the mailbox. Also, I'll show you the letters, which I haven't done. So the letter for the mailbox is there. There's a letter content from Natasha Lay. It's very basic. And also the letter for the parrot is there, the random lines I was reading before. It read, female engineers rock and I like IT. But also there's a line saying I love the University of Bedfordshire. And it reads them at random because of the script. And if we look at the magic ring, we'll get another one out. Oops. I clicked it. Detach. So if I look at the magic ring, and this is the script for the magic ring. Very basic. It does a really good job. And that completes my LSL demonstration, well, the first half. The second half, as I said before, will be a code description. But yeah, that's it. Thank you for listening.